In previous videos, we have seen different techniques to reshape data frame and series, to explode lists contained in columns, and to split and concatenate string columns. But there are other important data structures we can handle. JSON format is one of them. JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. It is a data interchange format that is easy for humans to read and write, but is also easy for machines to parse and generate. That's why it's frequently used. JSON files are commonly used when sharing data between applications and data scientists, saving information or metadata about a dataset, or reading data from an API. Let's see what the JSON looks like. It is very similar to a dictionary. The JSON in the slide has a very simple structure. But sometimes we have to work with nested JSON, like this one. We can see that we have a dictionary inside a list, and a dictionary inside a dictionary. These are more complex data to work with. For those cases, we can use the JSON normalize function from pandas. It takes our nested JSON object, flattens it out, and reads it into a data frame. By default, JSON normalize uses a period to indicate nested levels. To change that, we can use the sep parameter. For example, we can specify an underscore as a separator. Now, the last two column names are separated by an underscore. We can take advantage of the names. We can reshape the data frame using the y2long function, setting books as tab names, an underscore as the separator, and the expression \w+ as a suffix to indicate the columns end with a word. Let's analyze the following JSON. As you can see, it is more complex than the previous one. We have not only nested dictionaries, but the book keys now have a list of dictionaries as values. If we apply JSON normalize as before, the books column is still not flattened out. In this case, we can use the record path parameter. It tells pandas what key path leads to each individual observation in the JSON. In the output, the books column has been converted into columns, title and year. We can add a third parameter, the meta parameter. It tells pandas what data we want to include from the rest of the JSON. Now we can see the rest of the data present in the resulting data frame. It's time to put these concepts into practice.